Hey y'all, mzJakada here. So I'm getting ready to show the post protective style process using our Jakada hair and skincare 3-part system. Right here I have separated my braids from the faux locks and I'm getting ready to cut them. Be careful because you can cut your braids, which is your real hair, in this process. Starting from the ends using a rat tail comb, as you see I am carefully taking down my braids and detangling, and this also helps me with the crochet part of the faux locks that's at my root. Doing this, I'm able to detangle my hair and the crochet part slides out from my root. Halfway done. Now takedown is complete. Look at that crown. Yes, I love it. So fluffy. Look at my grays, but I embrace it. I love it. So now I'm getting ready to use the shampoo of the 3-part system that we have. I use about a quarter, well, to a silver dollar size because it goes really a long way. I wet my hair really good so I can saturate the shampoo in my hair, scratch my scalp real good, work it down to my hair shaft to the ends, and I do this about 3 times. So I rinse my hair very well. From there, I add the Jakada hair and skincare conditioner, which is made of coconut oil, honey, and some other natural properties. I add it to my hair, scalp, and hair shaft and ends. I work it in. Now, the good thing about this is that it not only protects, but it heals your hair shaft, especially if you have split ends and damage coming out of a protective style. As you see, I work it through the ends of my hair, put a plastic cap on, and then I tie a towel around it so I can have this operate as a steaming treatment because I don't have a hair dryer, but I was getting ready to work out, so it works just fine. I rinse well, and now I'm going to add the Jakada butter, which is the final part of the 3-part system. This works very good on our hair, which we use every day, and on our body. And this gives the lubrication and the protectiveness that you need to your hair shaft, and it's all natural. All our products are all natural. Right here I am doing the retwist because I miss looking at my beautiful coils in this style right here. I waited a couple days so I can re-wet my hair, blow dried it. I did not rewash it because I still had a lot of the products in my hair that I needed, and I had to straighten my hair so I can clip my ends, and I just wanted to curl it right here so you guys can see the fullness, the body, and the shine the 3-part system does to my hair, and it's all natural. I only press my hair twice a year just to trim my ends to avoid heat damage. These products are available on our website, in my bio, in my link.